Hi. I've had similar experiences like the same ones that you're going through right now, where I was teaching a math lesson to a group of students, and I was on the board trying to explain it, writing everything down, and I thought that the kids were understanding it until I started walking around the classroom, and I realized that when they were working on their own, they weren't really understanding the concept. So I had to pull out the counters and have them use something that's more hands-on for them to actually understand what I was trying to teach them, and that's how I was able to have them understand what I was trying to teach them. So one thing that I noticed was that you were analyzing their test. That's actually a good thing because you get to find out what are the things that they are actually not really understanding, so that way the things that they do understand, you don't have to keep teaching them, and the things that they don't understand, you can find different ways to teach them, so that the students who have different learning styles can actually understand the concept as well. So like there's the visual learners, or the auditory learners, or the kinesthetic learners. If we try to incorporate the different learning styles when we're teaching, it'll be easier for them to understand, or we'll get most of the class to understand what we are trying to teach. Have you thought of using visual aids, so like drawing pictures of the vocabulary words, so that way the students can relate those pictures to the words, and that'll be easier for them to grasp the concept, to understand what the definitions of those words are just by looking at the picture. I feel like that has worked for me in the past as well. I wonder if you do small groups, that'll be easier for the students to understand what the words are, so that they're working with different students, and they see that, oh, that student is also not understanding that, so maybe we can it'll be easier for us to ask questions and see how we can understand it better. Maybe you could try the different methods, and I would probably postpone the lab until I see that the students have actually understood the vocabulary words, because that's important before we move on to the next thing. Yep.